This video is showing the car bottom operation of an L&L special furnace model FC7410 car bottom furnace. The FC7410 is an electric powered ceramic fiber lined box furnace with a maximum temperature of 2200 degrees Fahrenheit or 1200 degrees Celsius and has a uniform work zone 7 foot wide by 4 foot tall by 10 foot deep. The car motion is controlled using a 480 volt brake motor mounted just below the door on the car. There is an energy chain that runs along the floor to provide the brake motor with power from the furnace electrical control cabinet. Inside the control cabinet is a variable frequency motor controller that allows the open and close times to be adjusted by changing the speed of the motor. As shown here, the car takes approximately 1 minute to travel from fully closed to fully open. The car utilizes cast refractory piers as hearth supports, allowing parts to be loaded or unloading using a forklift or an overhead crane. As well, the heavy-duty piers allow for a large thermal load weight. As shown, this model FC7410 is rated for 10,000 pounds of thermal load. For more information on this or any other L&L special furnace product, please visit our website at www.llfurnace.com, or you can email our sales team directly at sales@llfurnace.com.